Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all are pretty fine and doing very well. Today I am back with another stunning and classic collection of jacket for ladies and girls. Today in this video you will see the different styles and different designs, different embroidery work, ladies short jacket, the design ideas. I hope viewers you are gonna love this collection and you can get many ideas of jacket from this video. If you are loving these dress designs idea, please do also like my video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get my notification. Girls who love to wear jackets, who love to wear different types and different embroidery work jacket designs, I hope so this video gonna very useful for them, so just watch this video till the end. Please don't forget to tell me in the comment section how was this video, how was this design, and which type of more collection you want to watch on my channel, which type of more video is very useful for you. Keep visiting my channel for more collection, more ideas and more designs. So goodbye dear friends, till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and designs for you.